The late adopter. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing? Doing good? I think you're doing very good. Anyways, welcome to the channel, welcome to the new Matic video. Matic is right now 0.44% in green, but last week it broke the resistance all-time high. You know, that's superbly nice. It didn't reach all-time high on the daily or something like that, but it broke the weekly all-time high. You can see this is the close of the all-time high. It broke last week, so right now we are continuing that. So there is no way we can be bearish on Matic right now. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Let's get into the charts, see what Matic is doing. And Matic is doing something really nice, guys. Matic is doing something really nice. First of all, on the RSI, this rubber bear index down there, this indicator, there is no problems. Just so you know that we are sitting at some really nice levels right now, 76. So we're not some kind of overbought levels on a weekly time frame. So this has more room to grow. It's definitely more room to grow. We haven't even broken the trend, guys. We haven't even broken the trend. This is the uptrend on the weekly time frame. You can see here we have not broken the trend. There is a steeper one over here, but this one that's going on right now, it's not broken and it's still going, and it's looking very nice. It's looking very nice. So let's remove this. Let's put this a line of resistance up here. Right now, this one is acting as support. So 1.72. That's a support that we are going to be looking at. Let's go to the daily chart and see what's happening on the daily, and you'll see that this is the support. We broke it over here but went right back up again, and right now we're cruising upwards. We can remove this one and add another support line or resistance line. Previously, once the price went down over here, went up, it created this resistance line over here. And you can see here that once we broke that, we went down and then right back up again. So we 2 days ago we managed actually to get back above this resistance line over here, and right now for 2 days straight we have been keeping above that resistance line, holding as support, and that's a very nice thing to do right now. Second day in a row. Right now minus 0.33%, but this was expected. We are expecting Bitcoin to go down some 4%. So right now everything is dumping, literally as I'm making this video, everything is dumping right now. That's fine, that's fine. But you know, we don't care about these small dumps. We said that Bitcoin might go down something like 4%. Right now 2.66, maybe growing. It's gonna be fine. It's a small pullback before we continue to the upside, at least what I think, so we're gonna see. But the Matic is actually doing quite nicely over here. Matic is doing quite nicely over here, and holding this support. So between these levels up here and this resistance, because we only have technically two resistances above us, that's this all-time high and these two highs, and between that there is nothing. So that's like something like I think 20%, 17% up before we hit next resistance. So that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Let's pull up the moving averages and see what's happening with the moving averages. And you can see here on the moving averages, like, that's beautiful. We are still above the 10 moving average. Yes, 3 days ago we went down to the 10 moving average, then held it right back up again, and right now we're holding it. So we're just going a little bit sideways, waiting for these moving averages to push us further up. So whether that's going to be today or tomorrow, it really doesn't matter, but it looks so nice. I like there is no problem with the RSI sitting at some really nice levels at 57, above all the moving averages on the daily. On the 4 hourly we are above them all the moving. Right now we're actually going down to the 10 moving average. We'll see, but it looks very nice. It looks very nice. Now there is an important line of resistance that we have to take into account over here. I don't think this one is something like this. Let's see how this looks on the 4 hourly time frame. We can make it a little bit more precise, because you know 4 hours is a little bit more precise than the daily, but the daily is so maybe something like this or this over here. I think it's this one down here. For whatever reason, you know, for whatever reason, it is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. Yeah, let's keep this one. So you can see here you are getting really close to the resistance up here on the 4 hourly time frame. This is the resistance line that we need to break, but we got a ton of support right below us over here. The support that we are breaking exactly as we speak, minus 1.41% for the day, and we are going below the 10 moving average. But you have to understand, this is the 4 hourly candles, and this just closed above everything, and this is only 15 minutes into the new candle. So you know, it might actually just leave a big wick like over here. It doesn't matter if it goes all the way down here, you know, as long as it gets back up again, you know, and creates creates a candle up here, you know, we are fine, we are fine. So this dump over here on the 3 hourly and 45 minutes chart, it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter right now. But it does look good on the daily chart still. You can see here, even on the daily chart, we are still above the 1.8 or something like that, and that's good, because 1.8, that's where the 10 moving average is, so we want to stay above that. Technically looking very nice. We are above all moving averages on daily chart, and right now we are just seeing how far we can get up actually. What I'm expecting to happen, I'm gonna show you this. Is it 50? Yeah, 50 moving average. 50 moving average is really nice. So you can see that the 50 moving average gave us support down here on the 4 hourly and here. Even when we broke it down here, we just got back back above it, because it was important moving average, and right now we are breaking that. But that's still 3 hours and 45 minutes left for this correct, so we can go down and go right back up again. And let's see here that there is some kind of triangle going on over here on the small time frames, right? Always should be regarded as important, and you can see here that we are still in the triangle, actually hitting the support down here at the bottom of this triangle. So there is just because something is going down a little bit, like there is still no problem in that, right? So we're gonna see technically on the big time frames we are looking juicy, as you know what. We are looking very good. We have very decent support below us. This is actually a very bullish signal, and all indicators are actually expecting us to go up. So we're gonna go up, but everything is also hitting some kind of resistance right now. So small pullbacks are expected, and this that might be this pullback over here. I wouldn't actually panic unless we fall below something like 177. You know, if we go below 177, then we are below all of these moving averages on the 4 hourly time frame, and then we can have some kind of small move to the downside. But overall, it does look good. Even this dump over here on 1 hourly time frame, like we are still above most of the moving averages. Just right now hitting this. This is 200 moving average that we are hitting right now and trying to break on the downside, but there are still like 42 minutes left, so this is just gonna be leave a big wick. I don't know how long this is gonna go, but you know, it's just gonna leave a big wick. But everything is dumping right now, like you see over here. As we are making video, I'm seeing other coins as well over here, but you know, at the end of the day, this is there is still 42 minutes left to see what's gonna happen, you know. And these big dumps do happen. You get a wick and you continue going up, you know. And this is 1 hourly time frame, so you know, not much to worry about. What we are actually interested in is only the daily, and the daily cannot fall below the 200 moving average. This is the line. If we fall below over here, then I will call the, you know, sirens and everybody. Let's say down here, because that's created a new low down here. Because if we fall below this level down here, what's gonna happen? This is 169. This is the last line of resistance. That's right now, that's something like 7-8% down. If we close below these, so if we start falling down and close below this line, that's a bad news, because this is low and then we create another lower low. That's a bad. The other bad thing is that we are below the 20 moving average, so we don't want to do that. We don't want to go below 169. That's the lowest I think we should go to keep the momentum to the upside. You know, you want to stay above the 20 moving average. You know, you want to go to the upside. But you know, like we said, we got this really nice trend line going over here that we want to break the resistance. And of course, this small triangle is also playing right now. It looks like it's gonna break it on the downside, but there's still 3 hours and 40 minutes left before this candle is closed. So you know, we are not gonna call it just yet. Anyways, guys, that's what I think about Matic right now. Stop by tomorrow and see if there is a Matic video tomorrow. You know what's gonna happen. You know, take care. See you around. Bye bye.